Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your homes. So, today we will going to start the chapter fraction. Okay, so objectives, the students will be able to define fraction, numerator, denominator, and also able to identify the number of shaded parts and the equal parts in the shape circle, rectangle, square and triangle. So let's start the chapter. Fraction. Fraction means a part of a whole thing. So what do you mean by whole thing? Whole thing means a complete thing. Look at here. This is a rectangle. Here now it is a whole thing. Okay, this is a piece of a paper which is in the shape of rectangle. Here it is a whole thing which is divided into two equal parts. This is part 1, this is part 2. By this line, this rectangle is divided into two equal parts. Now look at here. One part is shaded. One part is shaded and total parts 2. So what is the fraction for it? 1 by 2. Fraction 1 by 2. What is the fraction? 1 by 2. So fraction means a fraction is a number that is used to show how many equal parts there are. When writing a fraction, we put one number above the line and second number below the line. So, the number which is above the line, numerator, tells us how many parts we are taking about. The bottom number, which is denominator, tells us how many parts there are all together. So here is two equal parts and one part is shaded. Okay. Okay, now when something is divided into two equal parts, we call them half. We call them half. One piece out of two equal pieces is half. Half means one of the two equal parts of a whole. It is called a fraction. Now look at here some more shapes which shows half fraction. Let's divide this rectangle into three equal parts. First part, second part and third part. Here is 1, 2, 3. So this rectangle is divided into three equal parts. Now let's shade one part. So how many shaded part here? 1 and total parts 3. So what is the fraction? We write shaded part above the line and total parts below the line. So the fraction is 1 upon 3, or you can say it 1 by 3, or we called it 1/3. Also we called it 1/3. Let's see the shapes which is showing 1/3 part. Now let's take one more example. Here is a rectangle. Let's divide into four equal parts. So first part, second part, third part. So means now 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 equal part. Let's shade one part. Out of 4 equal parts, one part is shaded. So, shaded part 1, total parts 4. So, what is the fraction? We have to write total parts below the line, which is called denominator, and shaded part we have to write above the line, which is called numerator. So, the fraction is 1 upon 4. Or we can call it 1/4. 1/4. Showing shapes shows 1/4 fraction. This is your today's homework. Do it in your maths notebook and revise once again.